Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session of Excel. So in this session I will explain you how to use the worksheet and what all different operation we can perform in our Excel file. So when we are working with the millions of data in an Excel, and formatting and editing is big challenge to use that data. So that time it's always required to know basic concept or some shortcut tricks so that we can format the data in an easy format. So I will explain you about how we can deal with the multiple sheets and with the data. So today I will cover how to consolidate worksheets, then how to group worksheets, how we can freeze the column name as well as row name, next how to split the data, then zoom activity and view multiple worksheet together. So let's begin with this. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Here we go with the practicals. So when we want to consolidate the data, we will need the bunch of data to be available in our worksheet. So let me create it here. I have already created 3 sheets here: vegetables, fruits and spices. In vegetable I have entered the random data, and let me drag this as well and drag it to complete cell. So as you can see here, the data is filled with the, or cells are filled with some data. So next let me enter here as well, and just entering fruits, then I am providing some values like mango 1, so that I will drag and drop in some other cells. Cool. So we just have to select this cell and click on this plus icon and drag and drop. Next I am mentioning the price of 22nd July. So let's say 101. Let me drag and drop to here. So if you are selecting 3 cells and that are in the sequence order, let me show you here. Same, but when you are selecting with this, it will always go in the order. So let me do that for this as well. Spices, and same here, selecting, let me completely select and paste it to here. Okay, Control C plus Control V. Here we have to change the spices and coriander 1, double click on this and it will extend to, so that you are able to see the complete value. Double click. Okay, cool. So first operation we are going to perform is the consolidate. How we can consolidate all 3 open worksheets? So open a blank worksheet just like this, enter some data, and in data tab here you will get an option of consolidate. So in data tab we have came here in data tab, and then consolidate option is available here. When we click on this, it will ask for the reference number. So first select this function sum, and in the sum click the reference box. So once you click on the reference box, you have to select these. Then from here to here, next in the enter, and if you want to add all other reference of your select, add this and browse the next one in the sense, select this and select from here to here, press enter and add. Next, third sheet will be required to select the components. You can see fourth is also selected, and click on top row. Click OK. No data was consolidated because we have selected top row. Just do that once again and click on OK. You're able to see all the three values are summed up. So as you can see, first 3 is 101 first, and here 23. It means 124, and the spices values are 101. Again, addition you can got it 225. So by this way we can consolidate multiple sheets together. Let me show you once again. So just click on data and then click on consolidate. Once you are able to see here, select this sum. If you want to perform different other operations, that is also possible to do that, but here we are going to sum up the number. Then select the cells from where to where you want to sum up. After that you can just click on the add and select other cells from the other sheets or other workbook. It's both way it is possible. Then after doing all the operation, just click on the OK and select the cells where you want to paste it or where you want the sum of the number. The selected cell will be populated with the sum of the numbers. Let's move to the next part, that is group worksheet. To group 2 or 3 worksheets, just click on any worksheet. Let me do that unselectable. Just click on this and press control and select other sheets. All 3 sheets we have selected. Now if we want value B2 to be populated as 1000, just like this, B2 is populated as 1000. So let me do that, and after entering that, press enter. Then you are able to see rest other cells are also populated with the same value. So by this way we can perform group activity on multiple cells. Let me do that once again. Just select this sheet and press control and select other sheets as well. Select this and press control. Select this, and it's not working because it was already grouped. Because of that it's showing, you can see here. Now select this and this. Now it's grouped. Let me delete this row. You're able to see from all the sheets it was deleted. Third number is deleted. So by this way we can group and perform multiple operation, same operation in multiple sheets. So this is the advantage of group worksheet. So let's do one more activity here. If I want to freeze this, header, so for freezing this header we just have to go to view, and from here you can select freeze pans, and you are able to see 3 options are available. So if I want to freeze top row, so this row will be freezed, and whenever we are scrolling down the same row is populated for this. So by this way we can observe or we can highlight our header for all the sheets. Just like if you are working on millions of data and you want to scroll down with their column name, so this is very useful for that time. Same if I want to unfreeze this, so unfreezing, select this and unfreeze pan. Now when you scroll down you're able to see it's the rows or header is not freezed. Same way you can also perform it for freeze column. So if you scroll to here, the right side, you're able to see the header from the column side is also populated. So it's very useful when you are working with the header name. Let's say if you want to perform any split operation, let me unfreeze here. If I want to perform an split operation, basically split operation will work to worksheet to view multiple distant part of worksheet at once. So let me split here. You are able to see the sheet is splitted, and when we are working on this you are able to see we can perform the operation in this portion. When we are selecting to go up, it is not performing. So let me double click on this and it is now unsplitted. Let's split from here. Now if I want to go up in this section, then it's possible, and it scroll up to here only, and we are getting proper data. So this is the main advantage part here. But if I am working on millions of data and I am on the bottom section, so split. Now I am going down from here. You are able to see same portion is going down. So this is the main advantage. If you want to unsplit that, simply you can double click on and it is completely removed. If I want to hide any of the row or column, I just click select or hide, unhide. So okay, so it will unhide all the sheets. If I want to hide all the sheets together, just simply select this and for unhiding this option. So next let's move to the next part, that is zoom operation. So for zooming any component, we can directly click on this, it will zoom first, and for unzooming click on left side, zooming click on right side, or you can click plus or minus tab. So by this way you can zoom the operation. There is another options also available for zoom. You can find it out from somewhere from here, but this is the simple one. So you can zoom it at any point of time. let me show you the next second option for zoom and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. You can see here zoom to selection. So if any selection you want to zoom it, you can zoom it, or just like if I want to zoom only this part, then it will, and if I want to zoom out, I will simply click on 75%, then it will zoom out for me. 100% I am keeping. If I want to zoom only this section, I will simply select this and click on zoom to selection. So this part is zoomed for me. Let's keep it here. Next portion, if I want to check spelling, just like I'm written here some keys like good, veggie, language, just like just like that. If I want to zoom that check the spelling, so I will go to review tab, selecting on review tag, and just click on the spell check. Spell check, you can find it out here, and suggesting the key value. So you can see suggestion is right one. So once I will click on the change, it will be automatically changed. If I want to change for the other, that is also possible. It's totally dependent on our requirement. But if we want to automate these things and to be performed for every option to check the spelling, we need to provide some formulas. So that will automatically pick up and check the value. If it is correct, then only, otherwise for wrong text, it will directly catch up the whatever data we have added in our dictionary. If I want to see multiple sheets together, then also there is some options available. Let me show you how to do that. So as you can see here, we have opened one worksheet, and in the view tab, just go to view tab, there is a window group window, able to see here there is only one worksheet is open. Let me open one more. Excel, Excel, now it's 3, switch window. So Excel opens a new window containing another view of the document. So let's click on this window group, new window, side by side. This is the option you can see here. Another one, synchronized scrolling. So if I am scrolling from here, now you can see the content is grouped together. So by this way we can view multiple worksheets together. So just like if I am selecting this one and I am doing the operation here, so But this way we can work together. If I want to copy the complete data from here, I will just write it to here. So this is useful at the time of writing or checking any, cross checking any data. So by this way we can work with the worksheet, which is very helpful when we are working with millions of data. This is all about the basic functionality of the worksheet. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and revert with the resolution. And most important part, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.